Hi guys, so I am back and this time I'm bringing you I want to show you some wallpaper bundles that I have listed in my Etsy shop. And OMG, this I cannot begin to tell you how difficult this has been. I have been hours cutting and trying to bundle up these wallpapers. It is so hard because they just want to roll, and oh my gosh, but I got it done. I only have 7 bundles to list because one of these bundles are going to somebody. So let me just start. So they are different sizes, but you are going to be getting, let me see if I could zoom out. You're going to get a lot of pretty big pieces. So this one is a pretty large piece. I think it's over 18 inches by 12. Really pretty vintage wallpaper. I'll bring you close. Okay, so that's one of them. So this one is one. And I'm going to be mailing them out. I will show you. They're going to be folded up in like one of these and in a flat rate envelope. They were something else. So like I said, they're going to be different pieces. This one is a smaller piece. The ones that I have listed are a little bit bigger than this one. But that's another one. It's pretty pastel. Let me see if I could bring the camera a little closer. It's like a pretty vinyl pastel-y, you know, pretty flowers. So that's that one. Then I have this one. This one, it's a pretty long piece. You could cut these up, fussy cut them and put them in your journals. It's like a border. I think this one's like 18 and 18 is what? My math sucks. So that's what I did. 18 and 18 twice, you know. Perfect for a botanical or a garden journal. So that's that one. Then I have this one. I included a really nice size because I wanted you to have the entire piece. It says Paris. Really nice. I don't think this one is very vintage because this one actually had a barcode on it. It is really nice. Show you. Let me pull it all the way out. So all of the pieces are like this. So that's that one. And let me bring the camera out. Then this is the same one. Then you get a piece of this one. The fruits. And a piece of this one with the baskets and the trees and the houses. These are cute for collaging. You cut out the circles. Rooster. And the big flowers. You get a piece of that. And then you get a piece of this one, and this one is really pretty. It's got like a like a shimmer to it. I don't know if the camera's gonna be able to pick that up. It's really pretty. This is about 18 inches as well, long, something like that. And then you get, now this is, it's vintage, but it's like a contact paper. It says Cover Magic. It's vinyl. So this will be nice to cover a journal, or you could back it on cardstock and make tags. I don't know. This one is like that, and this other one that I'm about to show you is like that. Those are the only two that I like that. But these have the strawberries. So pretty. Perfect for summer. And it's like a, yeah, it's like a vinyl. So that's that one. And then this one is the same way, but this one is a big piece. It's a long piece. It's about 18 inches wide by about 12 inches. But look at how pretty it is. And again, it's like a vinyl. Right? And it like gives you ideas in the back. Make, I guess, flowers, or I don't know, it gives you ideas. And then you have this one with the pineapples. I guess it's a pineapple. Oh, pretty. It's got like the little blue polka dots. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. It's got like very cute polka dots. And then I gave you, what, 36 inches of this one, the fairy, 18 and 18 of the fairy border. It's gorgeous. Look at those images. So, a long strip of that one. I love the images. So cute. The mist. Look at the reflection of the water. I love this one. So, yeah, that's a long piece. And then as a little bonus, I just threw in a little piece of this material. I don't know, it's like a mint green and a tan color for whatever. I think a lot of people use this for cross stitching. I'm not sure. It came in a tube like this. So I just cut it apart and put a piece of the beige and a piece of this like really pretty like minty kind of tealish green in there. So each bundle has that. So that is that, guys. These are listed already. Oh, wait a minute. I have one more, which is this one. And this is a big piece too. And this one has like an iridescent, which is what I covered my desk with. It's got like an iridescent shimmer to it. The camera's not going to pick it up, of course. But it does have like a sheen, like right here. Of course it's not going to pick it up, but it's got like, it looks like iridescent. So that looks like that. And of course, because it's old, it's not going to glue itself, so you have to add glue. Although it's supposed to be self-adhesive, you know, just water it with water, but it's not going to work. I tried it. So it's 12 pieces of 12 pieces plus the little 2 bonus pieces. Alright guys, I'm coming back with the fairy journal. It's completed, the little journal, and then I have 1, 2, 3 more that I have to work on this week. So thank you so much for watching guys, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.